Hey everyone, welcome. Merry Christmas. I hope that you have a great holiday and that you have had a great weekend so far. We still have New Year's ahead. Everything is, it's awesome. I love this time of year. It's actually probably the best time of year for me, my favorite. It's one of my favorite times of year. I really love it. Me and my family, we really enjoy Christmas. So yeah, with that being said though, Merry Christmas. Tomorrow is Tuesday. The stock market is going to open. I think a lot of you are excited. On my Discord, we're very excited for this week and scared at the same time, I might say, because we got into a play, let's say a stock that's going to have a massive catalyst, hopefully for the positive. And it's all coming up this week. It's going to be a make or break. It's up until December 28th, and we'll see what happens. So far, we've been nailing this sort of plays. So if we can nail this one, we're going to do really well before the New Year's comes. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. All right. Now, with that being said, though, we are going to talk about another play. We're going to talk about another stock in this video, and it has to do with a stock that I did mention on my Discord also. And I had said that it would go minimum 100% up, which was the minimum. It is expected to go way past that, 500, 600, 700% up. Because 2023 is going to be an amazing year for this stock. It's already up nearly 90%, let's say nearly 100% since I called this stock in my Discord. All right, but like I said, the outlook for me on this stock is way past 500%. We have plenty of room for this stock to grow big time, and we'll cover it in this video, and I'll explain some things and why I think this stock is supposed to have a great year. Now, with that being said, also before I start the video, I'm not a professional financial advisor. I am not here to tell anyone what to buy, right? Professional financial advisors do cost money, all right? And this video is free. So think about that. This is not financial advice. All right. And what else did I want to say? Yes, another thing. I expect a lot out of this stock, right? Like I said, I expect a lot, right? But at the same time, you have to know that, no stock ever moves as we expect. Google doesn't move as we expect. Apple never moves as we expect. Tesla doesn't move, right? Everything goes down this year. But if it's a great company, if you look at the 5-year history, 10-year history, you see that the stocks eventually are higher than before, right? But they will have their downtimes. That's because the markets will throw at you stuff that you can't even think of. I mean, you can't think of, you can't imagine. 2023 is going to be a year just like every other year that's going to have, surprises, huge surprises, whether it's on the political side or the company side, or some person did something stupid or something, I don't know. Something will happen that will push every stock in the direction that we didn't expect, right? So yeah, keep that in mind when you're investing. Don't go all out on one stock. All right, we're going to talk about Assertio Holdings Incorporation. ASRT is the ticker symbol. We're looking at the Q3 2022 13F holders real quick. Just start off the video. And we can see the Vanguard Group has about 2.1 million shares. Acadian Asset Management has 1.5. Millennium Management also has about 1.0 some million shares. BlackRock and 192,000 and so on. Sure, yeah, fine, I get it. Some of you are already saying, well, that's not a lot of shares. But they did increase. They did increase their holdings in this company. So that's a very positive sign. So Assertio Holdings right now is at $4.06. But I did talk about, like I said, about Assertio Holdings. And I did mention Assertio Holdings as a buy, personally speaking for me, in my Discord when it was at $2.40. It wasn't long ago. At $2.40, I said that it was about, I think it was about 2 months ago. I mentioned it. All right. So 2 months ago, I made it, I talked about it on my Discord at $2.40, said it was a buy. And I did mention in my Discord that this is a 2023 play. All right. But so far it's gone to 406. So it's nearly, 90-80% already up since I talked about it, going for 100% up, which is beautiful, massive gains, great, and so on. So here it is in my Discord. My Discord, by the way, is called Bull Market Watch, and we'll have a video about that coming up in a second. It's only a 20-second video. I'm going to play it real quick for you guys to see what, if you've never heard of Bull Market Watch. So limit buy order for ASRT. And it was $2.48, not $2.40, $2.48. So I had placed, and the thing is, when I talk about stocks, in my Discord that I believe are a buy, I will never say it after I bought it. You're never going to see me in my Discord say, well, guys, I had bought that stock at that price. That's stupid. That's not being transparent. Anybody can make up numbers. Anybody can say, well, yeah, I bought it at that price. No, that's not how it works. In my Discord, me setting as an example I set an example for everyone, but everybody in my Discord is amazing and well behaved, and everybody is very knowledgeable and very smart. We say what we're going to buy ahead of time. So when I had said that limit buy order for ASRT picked me up at 248, which I had announced anyways from before, I had told them that I placed a limit buy order at 248. That meant that at that time, when I said that I would place a limit buy order for Assertio Holdings in 248, that means that the stock was trading higher, and I wanted it to go lower. So it was already trading a bit higher, and I said that, you know what, guys, I'm going to put a limit buy order for 248. So if it falls to 248 to pick me up there and so on. That was so I was explaining to them ahead of time what price I would like to buy and get into. And like I said, it's at 406 right now. The PE ratio for the company is 7.11, which is pretty awesome. Let's take a look real quick at Bull Market Watch, and we'll get back where I can explain to you what Assertio Holdings is all about and why I think it is a great play for 2023, personally speaking for me.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So according to Zacks, is Assertio Holdings ASRT ticker symbol stock undervalued right now? According to Zacks, it is, and they give it a strong buy. Does that mean anything? No, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean that you should be investing according to Zacks, but I'm just throwing it out there because some people like to know what other analysts are saying. So Assertio Holdings is a pharmaceutical company based on a niche model that is focused on digital, non-personal promotion, right? And I think that works, and it's going to work really well from now on. Their last Q3 earnings report showed great revenue and cash flow growth, which is awesome and very positive. The company's growth strategy is based on market acquisitions, and that could be it could be very bad or it could be very good for a company that's focused on market acquisitions. So far, the market acquisitions for Assertio Holdings have worked out perfect. According to Assertio Holdings Corporation, the classic model of selling pharmaceutical products through direct sales in person is becoming too competitive, and it's not so productive, and according to Assertio Holdings, would be obsolete at some point. So the company therefore decided to implement their own highly technological digital platform that also exploits artificial intelligence to position itself on the market with a multi-channel and multi-product approach. So Assertio Holdings has grown through its cost-saving ability and above all through targeted strategic acquisitions of products on the market. The last two acquisitions made in 2021 and 2022 are called Otrexup, the first one, and Sympazan, if I pronounce it right. Sympazan is actually very interesting because they got that from Assertio Therapeutics, and Assertio Therapeutics, if you're in my Discord, you know that is Assertio Therapeutics is one of my top favorite stocks. I wouldn't say for long term, but yeah, it's for a swing trade. It's awesome. It's been working out awesome 8, 9, 10 times already. And some of you might look at it right now and run and type Assertio Therapeutics and look at the stock and say, where in the world does he get awesome from that? If you're looking at the stock chart. Well, if you know how to trade that, it actually works out really, really good. Small gains, but easily predictable. There seems to be no shortage of results with strong growth in turnover exceeding expectations and in a beat margin of 29.9% for Assertio Holdings. And we can also state that the corporate strategies have worked well at the moment for the company. Here you can see the revenue and the beat margin for the company as it has, overall since first quarter 2020 to third quarter 2022 has just grown. So it's awesome. It just keeps on growing. We can see that the Assertio Holdings growth has actually stabilized here in the last 4 quarters. And that is actually a very good sign. It's showing that the company is starting to go towards a positive future growth, and I believe it will. And I believe in 2023 they're just going to do even better, steady, positive, great growing company, and so on. Now the analysts are giving it a buy for the next 12 months. They think it's a strong buy, and the low that they give it is $6. The average is $7.33. The high of $8.40. Now think about that. If you were in my Discord, you knew about this from $2.48. Imagine going $8 a share in 2023. The gains are massive on a company that is actually good. It's not some kind of pump and dump. It's not something that's, it's a horrible company. It just moves up and down whenever it feels like, and so on. In my personal opinion, this is a really good company. So I feel safe investing in it. Of course, you don't go all out on any stock, like I said. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about Assertio Holdings, if you've ever heard of it or if you have invested in it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you continue to have great holidays and take care, everyone.